If the United Kingdom were to reimburse India and Pakistan for all their wealth, it would have significant economic and financial consequences for the UK. Firstly, it's important to note that it would be practically impossible for the UK to reimburse the entirety of India and Pakistan's wealth. Both countries have large populations and economies, and their wealth is spread across various sectors, assets, and individuals. The combined wealth of India and Pakistan is enormous, and it would far exceed the financial capacity of the UK to reimburse it entirely. Assuming that some form of repayment or compensation was agreed upon, the UK would likely face severe economic challenges. Reimbursing such a vast amount of wealth would place an enormous strain on the UK's finances. It would require the UK government to liquidate significant assets, borrow heavily, or impose higher taxes to generate the necessary funds. These actions could have negative repercussions for the UK economy, potentially leading to inflation, increased public debt, and a decline in investor confidence. Furthermore, such a massive transfer of wealth would disrupt the UK's economic stability and its ability to invest in infrastructure, education, healthcare, and other domestic priorities. It would likely lead to budget cuts in various areas, potentially impacting the quality of public services and welfare programs. Additionally, the reimbursement could strain diplomatic relations between the UK and India and Pakistan. The issue of wealth reimbursement is complex, involving historical, political, and legal considerations. Any attempt by the UK to reimburse wealth would likely require extensive negotiations and agreements between all parties involved. The process could be lengthy and contentious, potentially leading to tensions and strained relationships. In summary, if the UK were to reimburse India and Pakistan for all their wealth, it would have severe economic consequences, potentially leading to financial strain, economic instability, and strained diplomatic relations. However, it's important to reiterate that such a scenario is highly unlikely due to the magnitude of the wealth involved and the complexity of the issue.